Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice!
It's showtime.
Hello, fellow lost souls. My name's Lydia Dietz, and today we're gonna recreate the absolute horror that is my life, my utterly alone life. Anyway, please subscribe to the channel and like this video, or don't. It's not like I care. I actually do care quite a bit, so please like this video. The designers at Planner 5D are amazing at their jobs because they created not only one, but two sets from the iconic film Beetlejuice.
Don't ever say that name.
Sorry. Brace yourselves, because we're about to summon the spirits and see what eerie visions emerge from the void.
We're gonna have some laughs.
Live people ignore the strange and unusual. I myself am strange and unusual. Cut it out! A child, for God's sakes.
Jeez, I don't know. I mean, it's kind of a big decision, isn't it? I mean, I always said if I ever did it, I was gonna do it once, and that was it. Well, sure, yeah.
I want to talk to Barbara.
No, you don't need the Barbara, just say it!
Beetlejuice!
After a little Planner 5D rendering magic, here are the final results.
You don't have an appointment, do you?
Well, we didn't know how to make one.
You probably haven't even read through the manual completely yet. You'll have to wait if you don't have an appointment. Number 54,601, Burn Dock.
What do we got here tonight, kids? What do you think of this? You like it? Hi, how are you?
Well, that was like wandering through the shadows of my past. Hauntingly familiar. If you're not a ghost, please let us know in the comments which video you would like to see next. Until next time, my friends, good night, sleep tight, and don't let the Beetlejuice bite. Oh, I said it again. I'm sorry.
I just want you two to know you're welcome at our house anytime you want to come over.